Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, we're tackling a really puzzling problem that can pop up in Photoshop. Why your images might suddenly turn black and white all by themselves, even though you're expecting full color. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to restore your colors and prevent it from happening again. So let's dive right into the fixes. Alright, first things first, let's check for a desaturation adjustment layer. Sometimes when we're working quickly or experimenting with effects, it's easy to accidentally add a hue saturation layer that drains all the color from your image. To look for this, head over to your Layers panel. If you don't see it on your screen, just press F7 and it'll pop right up. Scan through the layers for anything labeled Hue Saturation. If you spot one, click to select it. Now, look for the saturation slider. If it's all the way down at 0, your image is going to appear in shades of gray. To fix this, simply drag that slider back up, or if you know you don't need the layer, feel free to delete it. Either option should bring your colors right back. If you don't see a hue saturation layer, don't worry. There are a couple more things we can check. Next, let's look at Photoshop's color mode. Sometimes the document itself can get switched unintentionally out of RGB color mode. To check this, go up to the top menu and click on Image, then choose Mode. If Grayscale is checked, Photoshop won't display any color, no matter how vibrant your original photo was. Change it to RGB color, and you'll see your colors spring back to life. This adjustment doesn't tamper with your actual image content, so you won't need to re-rasterize anything or lose any quality. Think of it as simply reminding Photoshop what kind of file you're working with. Another sneaky thing that can happen is with the channel view. It's super easy, especially if you're using keyboard shortcuts a lot, to accidentally toggle between channels. For instance, pressing Ctrl+1, Ctrl+3, or similar might show you just the red, green, or blue channel on its own, which looks like a black and white version of your image. To fix this, press Ctrl+2 on Windows or CMD+2 on Mac, and you'll switch back to viewing all channels together in full color. If you prefer using the mouse, just take a peek at the Channels tab in the Layers panel. If anything other than RGB is highlighted, click back on RGB to restore your regular color view. If none of those seem to be the cause, there are a couple of other quick fixes you can try. If the color loss just happened, a quick undo command might save the day. Press Ctrl+Z or CMD+Z on Mac and see if that reverses the last accidental change. Easy stuff, but super effective if you catch it early. Sometimes, though, Photoshop acts up because of a corrupt preferences file or a weird hiccup in the settings. To refresh everything back to the defaults, close Photoshop and, while starting it up, hold down Alt+Ctrl+Shift on Windows or Option+Command+Shift at a Mac. A little box will pop up asking if you want to delete your settings. Go ahead and confirm, and Photoshop will start fresh. Lastly, let's talk graphics power. On rare occasions, the way Photoshop interacts with your computer's graphics processor can create bizarre display issues, including color problems. Here's how to test that. Go to Edit, then Preferences, then Performance. Look for the checkbox labeled Use Graphics Processor. Uncheck it and restart Photoshop. This disables GPU acceleration, which often clears up quirky glitches with images displaying incorrectly. Alright, that covers all the main reasons your images might be mysteriously turning black and white, and how you can get your vibrant colors back fast. If this helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button. If you have any questions, or maybe you ran into a unique issue I didn't cover, drop a comment below, and I'll do my best to help you out. And if you want to see more straightforward Photoshop fixes and creative tutorials, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.